how to turn passcode off on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome to How to Browser YouTube channel. In this video, I'll walk you through the entire process. So let's jump right into the video. And if you're new to my YouTube channel, please consider subscribing for more tutorials. So what you need to do is to tap on the icon settings app, and here just scroll a little bit down, and here you'll see Touch ID and passcode. Tap on Touch ID and passcode, enter your passcode, and then if you scroll a little bit down, here you'll see turn off passcode. Now just tap turn off passcode, and as you can see, your turn off passcode, your Apple Pay card and card key will be removed from wallet, and you will not be manually re-added to use them again. You'll not be able to use this passcode to reset your Apple ID passcode if you forgot it. So now, if you're ready, just tap on turn off, and you're good to go. So that's how you do it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.